Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for always stopping by. And if you're a new subscriber on this channel, you're very much welcome. My name is Ifoma. Guys, on today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a tasty yummy Nigerian meat pie. Yes guys, that's what we'll be making today. Did you see what I have here? Wow, so moist inside and the crispy outside. Guys, believe me, this is a must try. You have to try this, okay? So let's get started. Let me show you guys how to make this yummy meat pie. In a saucepan, I will add my groundnut oil or vegetable oil, whichever one you will be using. Then I'll go ahead and add my sliced onions. After some minutes, I'll be adding my white pepper. Then I'll be adding curry. Then after that, I'll be adding rosemary. Then after that, I will give it a mix. After that, I will now add my minced meat. This is the main cocoa because we are making meat pie. So we'll be needing minced meat. Give it a mix. Now I'll be adding 1 seasoning cube. Then I'll add salt to taste. Then after that, I will give it a mix. After mixing, now I'll go ahead and add my carrot. After that, I'll add my sliced potatoes. Then I'll give it a mix. After some minutes, I'll add a little water. After adding the water, guys, I'll go ahead and sprinkle some flour in it. You can as well use corn flour or cornstarch. Yes, this is to help thicken the water that I just added. And this is the main reason why the filling will be so moist. Yes guys, and after this, the meat pie filling is ready. We'll set it aside. Then we'll prep our dough for the meat pie. In here I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'll go ahead and add butter, cold butter. Guys, to get the exact measurements that I used, please check the description box down below. I will leave the measurements there. Then after this, I'll be adding baking powder. Then after that, I'll add sugar. I didn't add salt because I'm using a salted butter. Now you have to make sure that your hands are clean because you will be needing them. You have to work with your hands. Use your hands and mix everything properly. When that is done, I'll go ahead and break in eggs into the flour mixture. I'll break in 4 eggs. After that, I'll mix and mix very well. So after mixing, you add a little milk. I'm using milk, but if you want, you can as well use water. So after mixing, this is how our dough is. This is what it looks like. The dough has to be, it shouldn't be so hard, but it shouldn't be so loose also, so that I'll be able to mold it into the shape of meat pie. After that, I'll sprinkle some flour on my working surface. Then I will divide the dough. Now with a rolling pin, I will roll out the dough. So now I'll place a plate on the dough. Then I will use my knife to cut out a circular shape. After that, I will remove the excess dough. This is what I have. Then I'll place in the meat filling. Then I'll cover it. Using my fork, I will now indent the fork in the tip of the dough. This is to help seal the mouth of the dough so that it will not open while baking it in the oven. Then after that, I will use the fork to design it to look attractive. This is it. Then now I'll place it in my baking pan with a parchment paper. So now we'll roll out a bigger dough because the first one I rolled out was small, that I made one meat pie out of it. Now here I'll be making like 4 or 3. Let's see. One, this one, then 2, then 3, I think 4. We'll be making 4 meat pie out of this. Then 4. Once this is done, is it 5? Once this is done, we remove the excess dough. Then we'll start to add the meat filling. 1 teaspoon is enough so that we'll be able to close the meat pie. So this is how you close it. You hold it from one end and join it to the other end. Using your hand, you now close it very well. Close it very well so that it will not open while baking it in the oven. Now use a fork and indent at the tip of the meat pie. This will help to seal it very well, to seal the mouth very well so that it will not open. I like doing this because it makes the meat pie look so beautiful. If you like, you can skip it, but it's nice. It makes it look beautiful. So we continue with the same process. Close the meat pie. Use your finger to fold it very well. Fold everything in very well. Then you use your fork. Indent the fork at the tip of the meat pie to seal the mouth. So this is it. We'll keep repeating the process until the dough we have is finished. design it. This is my special design. So guys, we are done, and 5 cups of flour was able to make 10 meat pies for me. Ignore the little one, that will be for testing. So now break 1 egg and mix properly. Use your brush and apply the egg on the meat pie. This is to help give the meat pie a light golden beautiful color after baking. Yes guys. Then once that is done, we bake it in the oven. I'll be baking it for 40 minutes in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius. Now I'm done painting the meat pie with the egg straight into the oven. Now it's out from the oven. Oh guys, check this out now. Look at our meat pie. Did you see this light golden color? So beautiful guys, and it tastes yummy, believe me. Look at what I said. If you don't close the mouth of the meat pie very well, it will open while baking. Yes guys, that's why you have to close it very well. Ooh, did you see guys? Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Okay guys, this meat pie is the bomb, is the best. See you all in my next video. Bye.